To Paugnut Road. And here we go. This is how the, Jesus, that's cold. Paugnut Road, man, has a big old bump. I guess I could have came over that. But not that down there. It's all washed out. Check out this sheet of ice. Mind the wobbliness. It's 18 degrees and less up in Paugnut. That's all ice. There's no way I could have gotten back up this. And that eerie thing is Paugnut Road that keeps going. And that is Buttrick Road. And today, I'm going to take a peek, see if we can find anything. There's a John Muir trail. Might take that. Might take that. All posted. You can't go there. That's somebody's, but that's Buttrick Road entrance. Goes up that way. That's Paugnut Road. I've been up that. It's a long road. Long, cold road, but we're going to be taking Buttrick Trail. You're probably familiar with this. It's up there. God knows what that says. Yeah, Buttrick Trail. It's the gate. The washout. Take the quads down and around. Actually, this is pretty cool. And now, up Buttrick Road. It's Buttrick Road down there. Then around the corner. And some sort of trail. Blue marker trail, you know. It's like 14 degrees. Wow. The time you get to do what you need to do. Hey, look. The bench. Pretty nice. Oh, man. Really cold. What is that? Sorry about the shaking. If really just really cold. I'm trying to find a spot. You know what? I bet you nobody else is hiking or hunting, because hunting season's over. It's the 6th. Here's the bench. My mistake. Yeah, I'll go down there just so you can see. It's a frozen pond. So I just love running around Paugnut. Frozen solid, dude. Look at that. It's beautiful. Even in January. There are no noises besides me. John Monroe. We continue on Buttrick Road, Paugnut Forest. Trying to catch my breath. Literally running up this road. Just trying to get it done. So somebody has been here with a fucking truck, dude. Cause look at this, dude. Look at this shit. This ain't a quad. That's a truck. What is going on here? Oh yeah. It's fucking freezing. Oh yeah. Far side of the pond. I'm not talking Burr Pond, I'm talking about that swamp after it. Buttrick Road. But there's been a truck on this recently. You can tell because stuff is kicked up. It's too wide a wheelbase for a quad. And this is a part of the woods that scares me. This cold fucking injuncture. Fuck this cold. What is that? So this is that area, man. So this is Buttrick Road, turns and goes down, meets with Winstead Road. This is that Double Diamond bike trail. Remember when I said bike trails? Well, these indicate bike trails. And that's what this is. It's like a little bit of a quarried area. It's pretty cool. Paugnut, man. This is a great trail. You get a lot of exercise. But you know what? I think that goes right back to the road. Yeah, this is a quarried area in Paugnut. You can tell because of the depth, and then there's these high trails. They used to mine stuff out of here. I mean, they've been doing mining everywhere for about 100 years on this road. And foresting. Yeah, this goes to random nowhere. So, I don't know. I don't want to get mixed up too much. But, like, it's dense. It's still dense. So fucking dense. This is a nice trail, by the way. Meant for bikes and e-bikes. I've seen an e-bike take this trail. It's pretty cool. Yeah, see, I've seen this. I just want to get a glimpse of the valley if possible. It's too cold to really go too far. Up Sam Squanches. Wildlife in the woods. Yeah, this just keeps going. Up and around. See, that's a high point. This is all live. 365. We're way up in the air. Cool. Man, I don't see jack shit, and it is fucking freezing. There's a bike thing. I'm going back. This is ridiculous. Coming back out that trail at whatever you call it, trail, Burr Mountain Loop or whatever. There's Buttrick Road, random road, 4 markings, 4, and a map. Look at this map. Somebody has shot at this map. So, this is me. That's Walnut Mountain. And I am here. Yeah. And that's where Buttrick Roads go. Goes up, down there. And that's Buttrick Road. Isn't that cool? Oh, blurred out for that was weird. You get blurry sometimes. It's 'cause it's so cold. Look at all these cool like areas up in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, man, it's like a road you could drive on easily. Has no name though. Huh. What in the hell? Huh. I'd say there's something over there. I don't know what. That's weird. This is cool. There is something right there. This keeps going. There's a swamp down there, but I'm gonna go over here. There is no trail to this, by the way, that I'm aware of. Notice this spot. The tree down. Okay. Somebody's ripped through here with a dirt bike. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Uh-oh. Position gave it away. You know, I think we're gonna have to go off trail just for a minute. Yeehaw! I see a trail. I see a trail. This is like blasting through the mountain. Hey, a place to sit. And I'm sitting. This is its own trail. Pretty cool, huh? And this is another bog, even further away from that other bog. It's Bog City here. This is a fucking road. Dude, I don't know where it is. I've never been on it. Alright, here's that weird road. Obviously trucks go on it. I don't know what this is. This is the first... dude, this is paved? Why is this paved? This road is paved. We're in the Paugnut State Forest on a fucking another paved road. But this one's different. It's a paved road. It's paved. And it isn't Buttrick Road. And it isn't where that road. Yeah. I don't know. You better get back. I think today's a garbage day, but I hear shit in the distance. If you don't go, you don't know. And that's a very wise saying. That's what keeps me going and knowing.